Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I hope you guys are doing alright. And today I'm back with another sale recommendation video. Nykaa is having a crazy sale right now, and I thought why not suggest a few products to you guys. So here you go. I have a few products in the hair care category, in skincare, and some in makeup. These are some of the products that I've tried and tested and I have loved, and none of this is sponsored, so let's get ahead in the video. In skincare, I have only 3 products. First is this eye cream from Beauty of Joseon. I absolutely love this product because this has definitely shown changes in just a few months. Like, I've been using this for 1 or 2 months only, and I have seen a tremendous difference in my under eyes. So I think you should definitely go for it if you are someone that is looking for something for your under eyes to make them less puffier and less pigmented. This is the one that you have to go for. Next is obviously this serum from D'Alba. This is a spray-on serum. I always use this when I'm going for the gym, because in gym I don't like to apply any makeup, and I just spray a little bit on my face and it gives you that amazing glow. I also like to use this sometimes when I set my makeup, so that it gives you a dewy finish and it really gives you that glow. So if you're looking for something like that, you can definitely go for this D'Alba product spray. Up next is my favorite product. I would 100% give my money for it. This Dr. Althea 345 cream. This has been my favorite cream ever since I've discovered. It gives you photo finish skin. Use it every single day as a moisturizer, and I will bet on it that you will find this amazing. This is my second tube and it is already empty, so you can just tell by the look of the cream that I absolutely love it. That was it for the skincare category. Let's go to makeup. Number 1 on my list has to be this lipstick from Fay Beauty. All the shades in this range is amazing. I literally don't reach out for any other lipstick other than this one. It is a matte lipstick, so if you are a matte person, you will love this, and you can also apply gloss on it if you are a gloss person, but this has to be my favorite. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is absolutely everyone's favorite. Everyone who has used it will tell you that it is actually good. It is the Maybelline's eraser concealer. I really hate the applicator because it makes a lot of mess. Other than that, it is actually so good. The applicator, which is like the sponge applicator, is actually really good for applying the concealer, and the formula is actually performing very high end. I would actually suggest you to just go for this one. Just try it out and you will know that this is such an amazing product. And Maybelline, please change the packaging. Nykaa has recently launched Rare Beauty on their platform, and I am a Rare Beauty paglu, and I would suggest you to go ahead and buy the Rare Beauty mini blushes and mini highlighter. Why I would suggest minis? Because you can buy a lot of new shades and a small mini. This one I bought 2 years ago, and it is still full on. The product is there. A lot of the product is there. I can use I think 2 years more. So I would suggest you to buy a mini, because you can get a lot of shades. A little dot of it stays like the whole day, and it gives you amazing glow. Right now also I'm wearing the Rare Beauty blush. For highlighters, you can go for this full size product, but I like to use minis. This is my favorite shade. This is in Exhilarate, and it gives you a nice glow, and right now also I'm wearing it. So I would 100% suggest you to splurge your money on Rare Beauty. That was it for makeup, and coming to hair care now. First thing that I would suggest, this dry shampoo from Fix My Curls is actually a life savior for me. Every time I have oily hair, I go to the gym every single day, so I have oily hair, greasy hair, and I always reach out for this, and it doesn't give your hair the dandruff that most the dry shampoo give you. Actually is very simple to use. You just spray it on. It doesn't give you that white residue on your hair, and other than that, it is a really good product. If you're someone who always reaches out for a dry shampoo, I think this is a really good buy, and it is also in budget, so I think you should definitely go. A high-end product in hair care that I would suggest you to buy is this Kerastase anti-hair fall hair serum. This serum has actually made my hair so much smoother, so much crispy sorry, so much smoother, so much frizz free, and I absolutely love this product. This is my second bottle, and I would actually suggest you to just go for it. If you have frizzy hair, they also have like a frizzy hair range that you can actually use if you have frizzy hair, and their products really do work. So I think if you have the budget that allows you to get the Kerastase range, I would 100% tell you to go. So that was it for the video, you guys. I hope these suggestions were helpful to you, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye bye. Happy shopping.